Hello students, welcome back to the ninth session of Basic to Advanced Java series, where you and me are going to learn, code and execute Java problems together. So our problem of the day is merge two arrays. How we are going to merge these two arrays? It is very simple. We are going to copy the two arrays into the third array. And how we are going to use it? Let us see. First we have to import Java utility package, which is arrays. Now let us create a public class. Let us name our public class as my class. Let us create the entry point of our class, public static void main command line arguments. We are not going to use the command line arguments, but still it's good to write this. Now we have to just make our arrays. Let us create an array, integer array, to be specific, integer array, name as array1, and the array1 will contain 1, 3, 5, 7. Let us create another integer array, array2, and the elements will be 2, 4, 6, 8. Let us create a third array called merged, and it will be the range of third array will be the addition of these two arrays, and for that we will be doing new integer array 1 dot length plus array 2 dot len length. Now what we have to do, students, we just have to copy this into merge, then we have to copy this into merge. And now how we are going to use that? We are going to use system dot array copy. How does system dot array copy syntax works? I'll tell you. The syntax works as, if I am giving a system dot array copy, the syntax works as it will ask for the source array, which is our array1 source array. It will then ask for the index of source array, what we have, from where we have to start copying, index of source. Then it will ask for the destination array. Then it will ask this is all the syntax. Then it will ask for the index of destination array, which will be index of destination, and last it will ask how many elements we have to copy. So here the source index is our array1, index of source is our 0th index. We have to copy from the 0th index, that is why 0th index. Then destination array is our merged array. The name of a destination is our merged array. Then index of destination array, from where we have to copy the 0. At the starting we are copying is, that is why 0th index. And how many elements we have to copy? The whole. So we'll go till array1 length. Okay students, got it? Now will be using this in our syntax. Our source is array1, our index is 0, our destination is merged, our index for destination is 0, and our length is how many we have to go till array1's length. Now we have to do the same for array 2. but there will be a small changes. The source array is array 2. We have to go from 0th index of array 2, which will be number 2, 0th index of array 2. Okay, then we have our destination as merged, but here the index of merge will not be 0, because here already we are copying it 0. Now the source of merged source of our destination and array will be array 1 length, because we are already copying till the array 1th length. The index will till the array 1th length. After the array 1th length is finished, it will start copying after the array 1th length. Okay students, now then we have to just simply system dot out dot print ln. We have to, now we can't just print out our array merged, we have to print out it as a string. So for that we'll be using arrays to string merged, and let us run our code. Oops, a minute mistake, students. Again the same error. I'll fix it in a few minutes. A small problem with the compiler, students. Let me just change my name of the public class and let us execute. Voila, the two have been merged. Okay students, this is a very simple logic. So students, this is our desired output. Students, keep learning, keep practicing, and signing off.